Unwinding the Slang. Chill out, explained. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase you've probably heard a lot in movies, music, and maybe even in your daily conversations: chill out. So, what does it mean to chill out? And how can you use it in your English conversations? Let's cool down the confusion and get to the heart of this chilly phrase. Chill out is a phrase that originated in the United States during the late 20th century. It comes from the word chill, which means cold. However, when turned into the phrase chill out, it takes on a whole new meaning. It became popular in the context of relaxing and reducing stress. But how did something cold come to mean something so laid back? We'll explore this interesting twist. When someone tells you to chill out, they're not asking you to go stand in a freezer. The phrase chill out is used to tell someone to relax, calm down, or take a moment to de-stress. It's often used when someone is feeling angry, anxious, or just too excited. For example, if you're worried about an upcoming test, your friend might say, "Hey, just chill out. You've got this." Now that you know what chill out means, let's talk about how you can use it. This phrase is very casual and is best used with friends or in informal settings. Here are some examples. To calm someone down, you're getting worked up over nothing. Chill out. To suggest relaxation, it's been a long week. Let's chill out this weekend. As an adjective, chill, I'm looking for a chill out spot. Any suggestions? Remember, tone is important. Saying chill out with a friendly smile is much different than saying it when you're annoyed. There are also a few variations of chill out that you might hear. These include chill, used as a shorter version, like just chill, it'll be fine. Chillax, a blend of chill and relax, for when you really want to emphasize taking it easy. Chilled out, describing a person or atmosphere that is very relaxed. The cafe has a chilled out vibe. We hope this video has helped you understand what chill out means and how you can use it in everyday English. Remember, it's all about context, tone, and the situation you're in. So next time you hear someone say, chill out, you'll know they're just suggesting a little relaxation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to chill out and enjoy learning English. See you in the next video.